cheesy pepper rice. Hi, welcome to Sanjeev Kapoor Khazana. I'm Rupa here. We are doing quick and easy recipes. So we are doing today a rice called as cheesy pepper rice. So let's go ahead and look at the ingredients. We have 2 cups of rice here, half red bell pepper cut into strips, half green pepper cut into strips, half yellow bell pepper cut into strips, 1 onion finely sliced, 5 dried red chilies, tablespoon of crushed garlic, salt to taste, half cup grated cheese, oil for cooking. So to begin with, we have to first prepare the rice and then toss it with the green peppers. So let's take a wok. Take 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil becomes nice and hot, add the rice and stir fry the rice on high flame for 2 minutes till it's nice and pink in color. As you're stirring the rice, put some water, that is double the quantity of water, for boiling. I've already boiled the water and kept it aside in a decanter, double in quantity of the rice. We are stir frying the rice for 2 minutes. You can see it's gone a little pink in color. At this stage, season it with salt, give it a mix and add double the quantity of, give it a mix, cover and cook on simmer till the rice is cooked. Till the rice is getting cooked, we'll grind the chilies and garlic together. Take the chilies and the garlic, add very little water and grind it to a coarse paste. Grind it to this consistency, not into a fine paste, just coarsely ground. The rice is cooking and it should dry out completely, as you can see. At this stage, shut the gas and keep it aside. Take another wok, put it on gas, take some oil, again around 2 tablespoons, add the onions and stir fry till they turn translucent. The onions are frying, they have become translucent. At this stage, add the paste of the dry chilies and the garlic into it. Again fry well. A nice aroma is lifted from it of the chili and garlic. Fry for a minute and then add all the bell peppers to it. The red, the green and the yellow. Give it a nice mix. Do not overcook them. Just mix on high flame for a minute, because let the crunchiness stay in the rice. It tastes very nice. As it's mixed well, add salt. Go a little low on the salt because we've already added salt in the rice. Mix well again for a minute. The rice which was cooked, add that to the mixture of the capsicum and toss it well. Do this on the high flame only. You don't have to cook much for a long time now. Just toss it and let it get the flavors incorporated into the rice. Simmer for 2 minutes. The rice is done. So let's add the cheese at this stage. Keep some for garnishing. After you add the cheese, just on high flame, toss it for a minute. So let the cheese just melt into the rice. Don't do this for a long time because the rice will all get together with the cheese. Shut the gas and let's serve it. Garnish it with cheese. The cheesy pepper rice is ready. A very simple dish, as you saw. Not many ingredients required. And the children just love it. It's full of cheese and you can serve it as a meal by itself.